Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
The role of plasmids in conjugation was first discovered by Lederberg and Totem in. He used Escherichia K2 K12 strain is the most commonly studied strain for conjugation by Lederberg and Totem. Thank you. In PCR, Thermus aquaticus plant is used to prepare. It is used to prepare DNA polymerase. This Thermus aquaticus is heat stable. So, because of that, we get a DNA polymerase which is heat stable, can be used for PCR. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.